In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social media icons to your website using the Wix editor. Adding social media links is a fantastic way to connect with your audience and drive more engagement with your brand. Let's dive into this step-by-step process to make sure your website visitors can find you across all your social platforms effortlessly. First, you'll need to open your Wix editor where you manage your website's layout and design. If you're not already logged in, head over to wix.com and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, select the website you want to edit from your dashboard. This will take you to the Wix editor where all the magic happens. On the left-hand side, you'll see a range of options to customize your site. For this task, we are interested in the feature that allows us to integrate social media into your site easily. Next, move your cursor over to the left-hand toolbar until you find the Add button, which is denoted with a plus sign. Click on it to open a menu of elements and features you can add to your page. From there, you will want to scroll down to find the Social section. This section offers various social media elements, including buttons and icons that link directly to your profiles. In the Social section, scroll through the different sets of icons available. Wix provides a variety of styles to choose from, so you can select the one that best fits the aesthetic of your site. Once you've found a style you like, simply click on it, and it will automatically add to your web page, where you can begin to modify and adjust them according to your needs. With your icons now added to your site, it's time to link them to your social media profiles. Select the icons by clicking on them. This will reveal a menu with a Set Social Links feature. Click on this option to edit the URLs. Here, you'll be able to input the full web addresses of your social media profiles. Enter your URLs carefully to ensure they're pointing to the correct locations. After entering the links, don't forget to save your changes. The next step is positioning these icons appropriately on your web page. You can click and hold to drag them to any location you prefer on your site. Typically, social media icons are placed in the footer or the header for easy access. Experiment with the positioning until you're satisfied with their placement, ensuring they are visible and enhance your site's overall design. Finally, review your changes to make sure everything looks just right. Once you're happy with the placement and functionality of your social icons, it's time to publish your website. Click the Publish button at the top right corner of the Wix editor. Once published, visit your website as a viewer to double-check that all links are working correctly and that the icons appear as intended. So there you have it, a simple yet effective way to integrate social media links into your website using the Wix editor.